What's up, guys? And we are back. Oh, I didn't even see him right there. I ain't never been back here before. Is that a river? I think that is a river back there. Yeah, so yeah, we are back. Oh, I can't go over here. Oh, this is a nice little apartment though. It reminds me of that lady. Dang, it's the movie. It's a movie called like Lady in the Grass, I think. It's like an early 2000 movie called Lady in the Grass. And it comes from like a different dimension when it's raining. Something like that, I think. Like these jobs, like bro, I try out for one of them jobs one time, but like they don't hire people. I don't know. Oh, cause it's Florida, I forgot. Yeah, you should know by now. Florida like they hire their own type of kind. So what I was going to say to you guys is, oh yeah. So, oh, the ocean stain. Wait, is that the ocean? That's a lake. I think it's the ocean. I smell the ocean. But like I was saying is, I'm gonna start bringing skimboarding too. I'm gonna start doing that because right now we're in the summer, so it ain't a lot of waves in Florida. And like most of the time surf season kind of like in fall time, like August, September. So we might get waves because, you know, a storm. That's the only time you probably see me do what's called again. That's the only time you'll probably see me do like continent on surfing and stuff. And also yeah, so skimboarding is basically like, it's like kind of like surfing a little bit, but it's like you don't need a lot of waves to, like, you know, to actually like surf it, or you could actually just go out on water too and all that. You know, something fun to do on the channel too, because I want to do biking and you know, other stuff too. I want to have my channel kind of different, you know. So that's why I feel like that's what I feel like I should do. I'm gonna do, you know, because it sounds fun. Right now, I never tried skimboarding before, so I had ordered me a board. So I'm going to try it out when they get here, probably like this weekend, because they get here on the 24th, I'm thinking. So that's good enough. But damn, I want to go across, but I can't. It's red. Oh, I could go. Go. This way. I love going this way. They don't say nothing. But yeah, that's why I want to talk to you guys about, to be honest. And yeah, tune in for more stuff to come to the channel. That's all. I think it's this way. Oh yeah, let me go. Feel good riding on a new wheel, bro. I got 22 minutes. I said 22 seconds. I don't know, what was that? That was pretty loud. Oh, holy shit, bro. Like, dang, I wish I had that recorded, bro. I gotta keep the camera when I'm going somewhere like that, bro. Why is always something like crazy happening to me when the camera off? Like, bro, there was a dude backing out and he didn't see me, bro. I had to like drift, like go around this man like that. It would have been his fault too, cause he didn't see me. Dang. Bro, that was crazy. I can't lie. That's why I don't like going fast on the sidewalk, bro. Like, I don't like going fast in the bike lane on the sidewalk in Florida. Unless I'm in a back road and I'm going like, it ain't no cars. I can see cars coming out and everything. Because people don't know how to look for people. People don't know how to look for people, bro. Holy shit, bro. That was crazy. That had my heart kind of like freaking jumping, bro. Let this car go. You could go. Alright. Bro, that had my heart jumping, bro. Only in the summertime, bro. That's how, bro, when summertime comes, everybody start acting crazy, bro, on the road in Florida. Dang, that was crazy. That was crazy. What time it is? 11:39. Okay. I like about Florida because look, mangoes, bro. I might see if I can get this one. but I don't think I could get it because my bite. Dang, that's a big mango, bro. It's calling my name. It's calling my name. Pray for me, guys. I just need to jump up there and grab it. Oh, free. Didn't mean to do that to my bike. I'm gonna see if I can grab it one more time. One more time. This kickstand, well, I am skinny, so. Got it. Let's go. I got it, boys. That was an easy mango to get. I didn't even see that, bro. Doing some little off-roading. Yeah. Supposed to. Ready to. I'm in a I'm in a